So, dear audience, another important element with our libraries today in today's world, as our world and life has become so fast, and people, they are always after shortcuts. They want to achieve things so early. They cannot wait. They don't have patience anymore. Right in their youthfulness, in early days, they look at those successful people who have lived their life for years and years. And in their old age, when they got their hairs gray, at that time, whatever they were able to achieve, these young people want to get that today. And that impatience pushed them towards looking for the shortcuts. And when they go for the shortcuts, that brings them to the point where they look for the social media oriented research. That's where their work find the references from the social media, Wikipedia, that kind of online IT based resources. That's what you see in their assignments. That's what you see in their thesis. You talk to them about methodology, they would never come up with their methodology. Would be, they would say, okay, that's how I wrote the reference. This is what the methodology in front of them or to them. Why? Because it is shortcut. People doing their MPhils, PhD, maybe they don't have love for the education. Why they are doing that PhD? Because they are going to get promotion at their jobs. Maybe a couple of thousand of increment they would get after completing their MPhil or a PhD. So it is not out of place to say that they are there to buy degrees and not for the knowledge, not to earn knowledge, not to learn, not to improve, not to enrich their insight, not to enrich their wealth of knowledge, not to enrich their mind and thoughts. They are just there to buy the degrees. So this is the responsibility of the institutions and universities to look after that side and to produce a true researchers. And while producing a true researchers, a lot of work depends on the libraries and librarians and those managers of knowledge information. They have a lot of responsibility on their shoulders while the universities are training some good quality researchers for the country and for Muslim Ummah. And dear audience, for that purpose, it is necessary that we go back and connect ourselves with the original literature. Even today when we go for the references, what we do? Do we really go and consult the actual original book? Or a writer who actually quotes that statement? No, we don't. Maybe we are reading a secondary or a third source book. He has quoted him. We will simply take a reference or a quote from that person and continue with it. So is that a real honesty or a definition of a true researcher? Of course not. If you want to be a true researcher, it is necessary that you go and see and have a look with your own eyes into those original sources and resources, if they have actually said that or not. It is kind of a hearsay attitude. He said that, I have read that, you quotes. Nobody go and check with the original writer and source if he has actually said that or not.